Today, we're working on this challenge called Chicken Caesar Salad, and it gives us this file to download. When we open up the file, we get some sort of a cipher, maybe a Caesar cipher, hinted from the challenge's title, Chicken Caesar Salad. Basically, what a Caesar cipher is that it is a type of substitution cipher in which each letter in the plain text is replaced by a letter some fixed number of positions down to the alphabet. Also, all of the letters in the plain text are shifted by the same amount to get the ciphertext. Shift A to the right 4 times, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would get us to E. And how I got E is I counted the 4 letters after A and got E. So A shift to the right 4 times would now be E. So now let's work on our left shift. So let's shift L to the left 5 times. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that how I got to G was that I counted the letters before L 5 times, and then I got G from that. So now L shift to the left 5 times would be G. We can solve the challenge by seeing how many times I got shifted to get Q. So once we figure out how many times I got shifted to get Q, we can shift it to the left by how many times it got shifted to get back the original flag or the original plain text. So I made this Python script that would calculate how many times I got shifted to get Q. So the first line of code in the program converts Q to decimal, and the second line in the program converts I to decimal. And now what the third line in the code does is that it takes away the decimal value of I from the decimal value of Q. And this method works because if you take the decimal value of I, which is 105, and add 1 to it, you get 106 with J. So if you add 1 to the next decimal value, and so on, you get the next letter of the alphabet. So now when we run the script, we get that the value that we have to rotate left is A. And so now we need to find a tool to decrypt the ciphertext. To decrypt all these ciphers is a tool called CyberChef. And to get the Caesar cipher, you need to go to this option called ROT13, and let's test out how this works. So let's rotate A by 1 and you get B. So this seems like it's doing like a right rotation. And let's figure out how to get it to do a left rotation to B. So maybe we can go backwards. So maybe -1 and we get A. So we know we need to rotate backwards 8 times, so we can put -8 and then simply just paste in the ciphertext, and just like that we know how to get our flag.